Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to upgrade your troops in Viking Rise. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so in Viking Rise, upgrading troops means promoting them to a higher tier like tier 1 to tier 2, tier 2 to tier 3, etc. So upgrading makes your army stronger, increases combat power, and unlocks better stats without retaining from scratch. So now in order to do this, we want to go ahead and upgrade your Chief's Hall to the required levels, and then also upgrade your training buildings for that troop type. So these can be your archer barracks, pikeman barracks, etc. And then complete the required research in the academy. So you want to come over to academy, and then I'm just going to use a speed up buff to get through here so I can click into it. So I'm going to click onto that and then click onto research. Then we need to go to the basic military tree, and then also we can promote tier 1 infantry to tier 2. So you must unlock tier 2 infantry in the barracks and research the related troop promotion text. So as you progress through game, basically. So as I said earlier, each troop type has its own building. So barracks, which is infantry, range, archers, stable is cavalry, and workshop is siege unit. So tap the building that matches the troop type you want to upgrade. So for example, if you want to upgrade the pikeman barracks, you want to go ahead and click on upgrade, and then go ahead and click on upgrade here. But in my game, I need to get to level 6 chief hall because this is maxed out at level 5 and chief hall level 5. Also, if we go ahead and click into, say for example, the pikeman barracks, I'm going to click onto the train. So here we've got level 1. To get level 2, it's going to tell you exactly what we need to get to that. So research lancers to unlock this type of troop, and we've got all these different ones, and they're going to tell you what to do. And if you click on details, you're going to see their attack speed, march speed, etc. And they're just going to get higher and higher as you progress through the game.